Ah, you got me. All that effort. Hi. Hell yeah, I'm hit. I'm just kind of touching my wounds a little bit, kind of sting. They're dragging me. Bierz me. Szybko, bierz me. No, I'm joking.
Oh my god! You bastard! Get out of there, Carl.
Okay.
Here, go. Sorry, Carl.
It's all good.
Sorry, buddy.
It's all good.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Not bad.
No, it's all good.
Oh, it was an enemy, but I shot him right in the front.
Right in the face.
Yeah. Fuck you. Carl, phone needs a medic.
Man down.
Medic.
I still got like a minute. They got me in the throat, man.
Move 'em.
They got me in the throat.
Oh shit! I'm taking this home.
No. Drag me out of here, guys.
Pretty sure his will says that.
I can't feel my legs.
Come on.
I can't feel my legs.
In the throat.
Tell my mama she liked me. Tell my mama something. Tell her something.
We gotta get down.
My legs.
Watch your head.
Wait, what the heck is this?
It's your dead right.
Oh
Shit.
Oh shit!
Your shot is dead close.
You just shot the dead man.
Okay, yeah, my gun and my med flew out.
Why?
Oh!
Ah!
Oh, fuck.
Damn.
No way. Yo, nice Walmart. Nice Walmart gun.
Yeah, dude, my sniper broke.
Anything that works, dude.
Honestly, like at this point, yeah.
I'm literally throwing snowballs right now.
Yeah, great.
Get him!
Let's go. They're pushing on the right side.
Oh, you got this guy medic over here. You gotta give him some.
Drag him that way.
He's where?
I'm gonna bring you into the trailer. Come on.
All right.
Ooh.
Oh. Or anything bad happen.
All right, I'm gonna come with you.
Yo, Carl, Legend's been told if we sit on that mound, we can hit them all. Go.
Take this, suckers! I'm sorry for wasting your ammo.
I don't give a fuck.
Ah!
Oh, fuckers.
That felt pretty cool.
Fuck, I'm out reloading.
I think this is out too. Yeah, it's out.
Hey guys, hey operators, Jet Desert Fox here, doing another video on Unicorn Leo's ass.
Ooh!
You mad? Are we probably going to left flank? Or those enemies here out over there, yeah. At that tree line, over there. Yeah.
I almost got it. Ah!
Is your sight okay?
Huh?
Your sight
Yeah, it's cracked a little bit.
Oh, so you're the one.
Corner. I was
Yeah.
like, damn! Saved me from a face shot though, so that's cool.
Right?
Little crack in there.
Huh?
So I guess I did get this thing started then.
Yeah, she's sighted, bro.
Well,
Yeah, man.
if that's what you're aiming for, you asshole.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah, Carl, thanks a lot.
I'm joking, man. You got any kills today, bud?
A lot.
Hell yeah.
Not shots.
Nope.
There were
Oh.
two guys behind the OV, and I just charged them and fly them in the nuts.
Classic right there. All right, I got this. Get him in the nuts.
Oh, they're gonna duel.
Oh. I've got $10 on him. Imaginary $10.
Stop shooting at us. We're having fun.
Yeah, take it.
He's gonna draw. Who do you think is gonna get it?
Wait, were we going on one or go?
Get him! Ready? I'm good to go. Get Piotr. Get him! Get him! Get him! No. I like the frog you've got on your head there, buddy.
Toad.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's his name?
I haven't made one up yet.
How about Kermit?
Kermit's already taken by a good friend.
Oh.
Holy shit, you read that fuck.
Yeah, dick.
Oh, damn. It got worse?
Yeah, he shot it again.
Yeah, really?
Not on purpose. Same fucking kid. I can't believe it.
Damn.
Where my patch?
Ja,
bro.
dat valt misschien op een Oh! Shit. Yeah, wait. No, don't worry, because if you try to pick me up, you'll fall too. Mooi? Oh, that's not bad. Fuck this way. I'm going this way, BK.
Carl,
Yo.
we defended this shit. We're making meth in here?
No, we're having sexy time.
Oh.
Yeah.
I got condoms.
Cool.
Yo, there's a scooter.
Cool kids only. Where?
Yeah.
Tactical Scooter Man is here. Do. Woo! Woo! That is so much fun, I'm not gonna lie. Airsoft 101.
Go for it.
Woo! I got it! Ah!
Shit. Out of luck now. You don't got it. Fucking riding a scooter.
It's so much fun. Watch out, guys. Scooter Man coming through. All right. Take 3. Watch out, guys. Woo! All right.
Workout, right?
Hell yeah, it's a workout. Anything for me is a workout.
I want to see you snap it down.
Ready? Ah! I'm so sorry.
Carl, I love you to death when you're stupid.
That was fun.
Carl, you like my other recliner?
Yeah?
Should they, take this shit out?
You good?
I'm good.
I'm just suppressing fire.
We're in a helicopter.
Damn, this shit's bouncing around and shooting. Woo!
Hold my arm.
This is, we're simulating a helicopter ride. Come on, guys. Come on. Woo!
Oh, yeah. It's probably gonna collapse. It falls in a rut.
Next thing you know, we're gonna like go down in that ditch. Like, oh no!
Skittles. We're gonna fucking roll over. Give me some. Yo, Justin. Check your corners. Justin, come here.
Say check the closet.
Come here.
He's finally gonna come out the closet.
Fuck you. Go back in.
Whee! Oh shoot! Ah! Ah! Blah 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 blah. Who's coming out? Who's trying to get popped? Ah! Oh! Wait, guys.
Oh shit!
I told you there was one guy dead in there.
I know. I thought there was one more in there.
Good shit. Did you see me try to climb that ladder?
He almost shot
I
his.
saw you run across.
Yep. Oh shit.
Sorry. Hit. Sorry, bro.
No, it's all good. Do quick fucking reaction.
Yeah. I'm so sorry. It was like right there. I'm so sorry. I tried to get you, like, you're bleeding bad, bro.
Oh, I am?
Like, fucking really bad.
Shit. You know what?
I'm so sorry, bro. But your buddy got me back with payback.
No, my fault for not wearing fucking face. Yeah.
Dude, I lost a tooth once here.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Fucking blow.
Like 10 years ago.
Oh, it's still bleeding?
Dude, I think the BB went inside you.
Nice. No, I think I'm good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Dude, it's not that bad. Get ready, we're gonna run. Get ready?
Yep.
Go, go. Oh, shit. You good? You okay?
Getting medic.
Push back, go, go, go. You bogey and all that.
It's all rocks.
Yeah.
Bad way to hurt you.
Hell yeah. There's shitload of rocks on this hill.
Oh, sorry. Finish, Kyle.
Oh, you're lucky I didn't fire.
How lucky you ducked.
Yeah.